Hello everyone, welcome to Monica Monet Collection. I am Monica and I appreciate you for stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate you taking the time out. Here are the supplies you would need. Now today I will be making a very simple, inexpensive glass display organizer. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and push that subscribe button and like button and become a part of this family. And if you are already one of my family members, I surely appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Keep on coming back and watching more of my DIYs. While I am creating this 3-tier glass display organizer, I want to know how you guys are doing out there. I want to know if you are still eating out since the coronavirus, or are you cooking more? We have been taking turns in our family cooking, so we've been cooking everything. I've been on the YT right here, and I've been looking at people do their different dishes with their own recipes, and I've been trying out their recipes, and it's been great. But this weekend, I must tell you guys, we went to Whataburger and got some Whataburger for the first time this year, and I tell you guys, that Whataburger sure was good. What are you guys doing? Are you guys cooking more or doing a little bit of both? Still eating out and cooking?